Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this one, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and it's ready to explode. It's going to pump up as we get closer and closer to Ethereum 2.0. In fact, it's already up. Over the past week, we're up over 15%, up an additional 4.5% just today in the 24-hour period. We're going to talk about that. We're going to take a look at the chart and why exactly it is pumping over the past week. It has a lot to do with the triple halving, and we're going to talk about what that is as it relates to the future of Ethereum 2.0. And really, this triple halving is just the start to Ethereum 2.0 that should be starting to roll out in the coming months. Probably won't be fully launched until 2022. However, this is why I've been in Ethereum for a long time. We could be seeing big gains here on the horizon. We're going to talk about it in this video. So if it's your first time stopping by, welcome in. Hopefully you get some value here. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that little join button here that you see on screen if you want to learn more about becoming a member right here on YouTube. And then also, if you want to join our private community, we've got the supporter level as well as the insider level. We've got over 50 insiders already joined up in our Patreon group, our private community, where we're talking about crypto and stocks all the time, helping each other grow our portfolios together. Also, with the insider access, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts from me. Also, we're starting something new with it. In addition to the portfolio that we all have access to that we're building together, we're also going to start doing once a week. I'm going to send out, you could call it like a newsletter, right? Once a week, every Monday, I'm going to send out just 5 cryptos that we're watching very closely. So if you want to be a part of that, head over to that link. It's down in the description, and let me know if you have any questions about that. So let's pop into Ethereum here. We'll take a look at the charts here. So we're on TradingView right here. We could see from the 20th of July, where we were down at 1735, right? 1735. This was pretty much the basement that we've been hitting in these downturns in the market. But since we've been down there and the B word event happened, right, where Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood all talked about Bitcoin, well, Elon dropped a little subtle comment there in the interview saying that he also holds Ethereum. Now, I don't think that directly correlated with the rise. I think a lot of people expecting Ethereum to go up, and a lot of the whales came in and bought at these levels because, well, this is just a great price, right? 1735. So I think there's a couple reasons why it's happened, and it's going to continue to go up, in my opinion, here as we get closer and closer to Ethereum 2.0. All right, so from the 20th all the way till right now, the 24th, over the past 4 days, you could see this is the growth we're talking about. Look at this, just huge green candlesticks here, and these are 2-hour sticks. So, and it's continuing to go up right now as we speak, all the way up to 2,150. In the past 4 days from 1,700, so it's moved up almost $500 here in the past 4 days. All right, so we'll take a look at also the Ethereum chart over on CoinMarketCap. We've got the 7-day chart up here. You can take a look at what it looks like here. I know a lot of people use CoinMarketCap, myself included. A little bit of a pullback yesterday. It got down to the low 2,000s, but then here we go, right back up there today and pushing forward, forming new all-time highs. The 24-hour low is right at 2,000, 24-hour high 2,100 and some change here. In terms of the 7-day low, we've got all the way down to 1722, and I don't think we're going to go much lower than that. Some people said we could retrace back down to that 1,500 level. I don't see that happening, and a lot of the reason why is because of this triple halving event, which is really the start to Ethereum 2.0. And I want to give a shout out to Lark Davis because I watched his video to get informed here on this video to bring to you. So shout out to Lark. If you don't follow him over on YouTube, he's a great follow, super informative. I've learned a ton from him already. You guys should definitely give him a follow both on Twitter and on YouTube. So here he is right here on Twitter. So he says, Ethereum is about to undergo a massive upgrade that will fundamentally change ETH forever. Devs, or the dev team, are fast-tracking the merger, which will end proof of work forever. So right now they're still working on the proof of work model, similar to Bitcoin, right, where the miners are rewarded for their work. However, it's going to be now a proof of stake model, where the stakeholders, so if you hold Ethereum and you stake it, as I've mentioned, I'm staking all of my Ethereum now, you're going to get rewarded. I'm already getting 5% back on my Ethereum holdings just for holding the asset. So I've already earned money just from holding it in Coinbase.com. Okay, so the merger could happen by the end of 2021 or perhaps early 2022. As we know with tech, things move really slow, right? So I'm guessing it's going to be early 2022. The first obvious implication of this upgrade is the transition from a mine and dump economy to a stake and restake economy. Many people like myself will continue to restake their Ethereum to earn those long-term rewards. I don't think there are a lot of people that are going to be staking Ethereum for the short term. People believe in Ethereum 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. Heck, I might even be keeping it forever, at least some Ethereum, because that's how bullish I am on the future of the asset. And I think a lot of people feel the same. Proof of stake encourages saving, since the more ETH you have, the more you make. Proof of work encourages selling, right? So as you continue to restake your Ethereum that rolls in from your rewards, it's a domino effect, right? That money just keeps doubling and tripling over time. The other wildly important aspect of the merger here is that ETH will undergo a 90% reduction in daily emission, right? We talk about the impact that Bitcoin mining has on the environment. Same could be said for Ethereum to a much lesser scale, right? However, once Ethereum moves to proof of stake and they move away from proof of work, this daily emission is going to be reduced drastically, which I think will catch the eyes of institutional investors and get more and more people backing Ethereum. And we want those people with big money backing Ethereum like they already starting to do with Bitcoin. So the crazy thing is, this is Lark saying this, the crazy thing is, even with daily miner dumping, supplies of Ether on exchanges continue to reach record lows, showing that the market is absorbing the miner supply flow and then some. The supply flow will be cut 90% soon. This is not priced in yet to the current price of Ethereum. So again, another reason why, if you're not yet in Ethereum, why you should take a look at it. I don't want to tell you to invest in anything. You have to do your own due diligence, your own research, your own homework, but I'm just giving you the information I have and why I'm invested in it. All right, so here's the summary. 90% supply emission drop coming, plus a shift to stake, proof of stake model, and a HODL economy, or hold economy. Of course, we all know the meme HODL. HODL economy plus the fee burning plus a soaring demand equals this price should rise here coming into 2022. And this is part of the many reasons why Lark keeps staking his Ethereum. This is part of the reasons why I've went from staking half of my Ethereum to all of it, because I've learned more and more about the future of Ethereum, and that's my take on it. That's why I'm staking it all, because I want all those rewards in the long term. Sure, is there more of a risk there? Slightly, yes. But when you're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are two major players. They're going to be here for the long term, and if you believe in these assets, it is best to stake them. All right, so this is a quick article here. Just want to hit on this. Ethereum is on fire, up 11% in the past days, actually now 15%. Will this trend continue? This article makes a pretty bullish case and says that it will, based on some technical analysis here. A couple of targets to look for. Next big target is around 2,500, and then the next target up from that would be 2,800. If we can reach these, the sky is the limit, and I think personally we could be setting new all-time highs with Ethereum before we get there with Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you got some value here, and I'll see you in the next video.